Come test drive the 2017 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sport suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, ambient lighting, power brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.